My name is Pawan. So today we are going to let you know how you can add a missing place in Google Map. Okay, so let us start. So first of all, open the Google Map and get the location that you want to add on Google Map. For example, if you want to add the current address, click on your current location and it will get the current location. If you want some other location, then you have to just click on the Google Map and copy the address and then come here, add a missing place. Here you can put the name of that place and then like keeping it, then choose the category, what kind of the address is, then you can put the address as well, like building number. So like I'm picking this address randomly. So now you can submit here, and once you submit you can see your added address here in your places under the labeled. So then you can click on that label address and you can see if it is added there or not. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy the video and we will meet on another video. Till then, have a great day.